Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer USDT from crypto.com to Onchain wallet. And here's the easy workaround on how you can easily do that. So the first thing to do is to open the crypto.com app and log in into your account. Then from there tap the wallet icon, then select crypto wallet. Then the next step is to find and tap on the USDT title from the list of assets. Then after that you have to tap transfer, then select withdrawal. From there tap on your external wallet. Then if it's your first time, tap the hard wallet address, then paste your on-chain USDT wallet address and choose the correct network. For example, you can pick from the list of these on the video, which is ERC20, TRC20 and BIP20. Then make sure it matches your destination wallet to avoid loss of your crypto. So give the address a name, which is very optional, then tap continue. Then after that, go back and select the saved wallet and enter the amount of USDT to send, then tap withdraw, review the transaction and confirm. Then if you set up your to complete your withdrawal, you can also finish your transfer using the 2FA notification, which is two-factor authentication. And once that is done, and that's it, your USDT will be sent to Onchain. Your wallet will be sent to your Onchain wallet on the network selected, and make sure you choose the correct network to avoid losing of fund. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.